Hey, travel enthusiast! Welcome back to Honore. In this video, we try to cover about the top 5 best Greece places to travel in 2024. So let's start. Number 5. Meteora. Meteora is a UNESCO World Heritage Site in central Greece, known for its spectacular rock formations and ancient monasteries perched atop cliffs. Visitors can explore the monasteries, enjoy hiking trails with stunning views, and immerse themselves in the serene atmosphere of this unique destination. The word meteora means suspended in the air, aptly describing the awe-inspiring nature of these rock pillars and their cultural significance. Number 4. Crete. Crete, the largest of the Greek islands, boasts stunning beaches, ancient ruins like the Palace of Knossos, and vibrant cities such as Heraklion and Chania. Its diverse landscapes range from rugged mountains to fertile valleys dotted with olive groves and vineyards. Visitors can immerse themselves in history, relax on beautiful shores, and indulge in delicious Mediterranean cuisine. Number 3. Mykonos. Mykonos is renowned for its lively nightlife, pristine beaches, and cycladic architecture adorned with whitewashed buildings and blue-domed churches. This cosmopolitan island in Greece offers a perfect blend of relaxation, luxury, and vibrant entertainment, making it a favorite destination for travelers seeking a mix of beach fun and cultural exploration. Additionally, Mykonos boasts beautiful windmills, picturesque narrow streets, and a vibrant arts and dining scene that attract visitors from around the world. Number 2. Athens. Athens, the capital city of Greece, is steeped in ancient history and culture, showcasing iconic landmarks like the Acropolis and Parthenon. Visitors can explore archaeological sites, museums filled with ancient artifacts, and vibrant neighborhoods with bustling markets and authentic Greek cuisine. The city's blend of ancient charm and modern energy makes it a must-visit destination for travelers interested in history, art, and Mediterranean lifestyle. Number 1. Santorini. Santorini, a volcanic island in the Aegean Sea, is renowned for its stunning sunsets. White-washed buildings clinging to cliff sides and crystal-clear waters. Its picturesque villages, including Oia and Phaira, offer panoramic views of the caldera and the deep blue sea, making it a dream destination for romantic getaways and unforgettable vacations. Thank you for watching this video. Like, comment, and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for the latest updates.